So the word hewn is really going back in time to when an artisan made something by hand. Artisan means to me that there's a face behind who's making it. It started very organically, literally in my kitchen when my son was napping. In between naps, I would mix the bread and shape the loaves, and he would help me stamp the bags and then deliver them all around the neighborhood. Flour, water, sea salt, and our starter. That's the only 4 ingredients that go into our bread. Illinois is known for farming, so for me to have a local business, it's really important that I'm supporting local farmers. And there really is a difference in the taste when you're getting wheat that's grown here, milled here, and then shipped here. It truly is unique. Nothing's ever been frozen. Everything's fresh made every day. We were only interested in doing that, where it literally was a community bakery, homegrown, and very much a part of the neighborhood. Evanston is incredibly diverse. We have Northwestern, so it's a really international community, but it still has this very small town feel to it. So I want people to feel, first off, that they just ate the best loaf or had the best cookie, best pastry that they've ever had, but I want them to walk out feeling like the environment that they were in was one that was really welcoming, where they remember the people that served them just as much as the bread.